Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Legion Academy.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
European shares fell with concerns around economic growth slowdown and a gloomy forecast by Credit Suisse weighing on banks, while investors braced for the European Central Bank's meeting. Judge Netburn exposed the several contradictory takes by the SEC in regard to the speech, as the plaintiff now argues the notes and emails are protected by attorney-client privilege after being denied the deliberative process privilege argument. The euro hit a 7-year peak against the yen ahead of a European Central Bank rate-setting meeting that is likely to leave the Bank of Japan standing alone with ultra-loose monetary policy. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil-dollar pair exploded 2.8% in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The gold-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The dollar gained 0.9% against the yen in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The US continuing jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US initial jobless claims at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB deposit rate decision at 11:45 GMT. The Eurozone's ECB interest rate decision will be released at 11:45 GMT. Japan's machine tool orders at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's producer price index at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.